Hey guys, welcome to Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to unbox a selfie ring light. Let's do this. So this is the ring light and the cable. The cable looks really tiny. Okay, the brand name is DIYIFE. I'm going to remove the plastic. Let's see how to turn on this ring. I think it's over here. And I have to press this. It's really simple, really lightweight, and I have to do this to put that on my phone. That's so cool. Okay, let's press the button now. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh wow, it's not even a little bit charged. I'm going to charge it and see what happens. As you can see, when you plug it, you will see a red light, and now you have to wait until it's green. Let's test it. Are you ready, guys? No light. The first level, the second level, and the third one. That's pretty cool, guys. And this is another perspective. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.